Hi, welcome to Let's Talk.
Last week we went over the 7 superfoods for healthy looking hair. Today we are going to be going over some DIY hair masks that are great if you have dry, damaged, or thinning hair, and you can find all the ingredients right in your own kitchen. Maximize your mane with a protein-rich egg mask. One contributing factor to hair loss is a lack of protein in your diet. If you're not a meat eater, you're probably already aware of the different ways to infuse protein in your diet. Still, you can also create a protein mask for your hair. Just combine half an avocado, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and half a teaspoon of honey. Massage the mixture into your scalp and your hair, leaving it on for at least 30 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and condition as you normally would. Revive limp locks and an irritated scalp with apple cider vinegar and green tea. Here's a great recipe to soothe your scalp and boost your hair's volume. Combine a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of cooled green tea. Shampoo regularly, and then pour the mixture over your hair and gently comb through to ensure complete saturation. Don't rinse, just condition and style your hair as desired. Strengthen your strands with coconut milk. This mask is full of healthy proteins and fats. Both are essential for healthy hair growth. Mix 3 teaspoons of olive oil with half a cup of coconut milk. Work the mask into your scalp and massage over your hair, pulling the mixture through to the ends. Try wearing a shower cap or wrapping your hair in plastic wrap to help the mask penetrate deeper. Keep the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and then shampoo it out. Boost thickness with a spritz of nettle tea and rosemary. Try this combination of nettle tea and fresh rosemary to help thicken your strands. In 1 cup of boiling water, add 3/4 cup of fresh rosemary and 1 nettle tea bag. Remove the mix from the heat and let it steep for an hour. Strain the liquid and let it cool to room temperature. Pour into a spray bottle and spritz it onto your wet hair. It is best to leave it on overnight. Repair damage and restore shine with avocado and coconut oil. Add gloss, Spanish frizz, and revive dry locks with this easy-to-make hair mask. Combine 1 avocado and 2 eggs with a tablespoon each of honey and coconut oil. Massage the mixture into your hair from roots to ends. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse and shampoo regularly.
Don't forget to subscribe now so that you don't miss any of our hair health or hair tutorial videos. If you're looking to boost the volume and fullness of your hair even more, visit our website, shop.hairclub.com, to explore all of our salon quality shampoos, conditioners, and cleansers. For Let's Talk, I'm Samantha. We'll see you next time.